Here's another slice of my life as a teacher mom here in Davao City. In ani ka peaceful ang mornings diri sa mong school, and honestly, one of the reasons I love coming here every day is really the view. I love you. Makawala gyud ka kapoy murag ikaw. Char. This morning, my grade 5 learners were having their practice, so while I was supervising them, nakahuna na pud og another bright idea ang person. So I opened Canva and designed a daily attendance chart. Ang taas kay enrollees nila which is already fixed na. So every day, ang ilahang i-update is kanang naa lang sa ubos, which is ang present lang for that day ang ilang isulat. Simple, organized, and time-saving. After printing, gilaminate nako tanan para mas lig-on og magdugay pa. Sulit good ang effort kung reusable ang materials. By the way, my advisory section is Celine. Officially, I have 15 boys and 25 girls, so that's 40 learners. But because of our prorated enrollment, nadungagan pa mi og 10 learners. So yes, 50 learners in one classroom. Kulang jud mi classroom, guys.
What?
Hello, DepEd. Another thing I made today is this CR Pass. I designed this using Canva and of course with the help of ChatGPT sa layout ideas. Then gilaminate pod nako ni og gibutangan og sling. So this idea actually came from one of my fellow teachers. Since departmentalized me sa grade 5, every after subject change, daghan kay learners ang mangayo og permission mo gawas para mag-CR. Usahay mura na gyud og adunay field trip padulong sa CR. Mura bayag gyud unsa kahumot ang CR. So instead nga daghan na mogawas at the same time, we now have one CR pass for the boys and one for the girls. Simple ra kayong solution, pero dako kayo og tabang sa classroom management. And yes, habang nag-video ko ani, na-realize na ako nga blur man da ini na unsa. See you in the next slice of my teacher mom life. Bye!